Welcome to Prottayon, a realm where the timeless science of geography transcends the realms of maps and charts, weaving itself into the vibrant fabric of our lives. Here, geography is not merely a discipline of landforms and coordinates. It is an intricate narrative interlaced with the essence of our existence. Today, as we set sail on this enlightening journey, we delve into how geography harmoniously intertwines with diverse fields, transforming every point on the map into a compelling story of innovation, resilience, and harmony. From the creative minds of urban architects to the vigilant spirits of disaster management experts, we invite you to traverse this rich and varied landscape with us, discovering the multifaceted ways in which geography acts as a guiding light for visionaries sculpting the future. Our first stop is in the vibrant heart of cities, where the rhythm of urban life pulses in sync with the principles of geography. Imagine the visionary Jamie Lerner as he reimagined the urban landscape of Curitiba, Brazil. This tale of transformation is about more than just constructing efficient public transport systems and sprawling green spaces. It's about understanding a city's geographical heartbeat and choreographing a symphony of sustainable living. Curitiba's metamorphosis into a model of urban planning eloquently showcases the power of geographical insights. It's a vivid testament to how a deep understanding of urban geography can paint the canvas of our cities with the hues of sustainability and livability, creating spaces that breathe life into the concrete. As we gently transition from the bustling urban tapestry to the serene embrace of nature, we find ourselves in the realm where geography and environmental conservation gracefully intertwine. Picture the indomitable spirit of Wangari Maathai, rooted deeply in the soil of her beloved Kenya. Her story with the Greenbelt movement is a narrative of hope and rejuvenation, illustrating how the brush of geography, dipped in the vibrant colors of conservation, can paint a future where the planet's rhythm beats in harmony with human progress. Maathai's fusion of geographic knowledge with environmental stewardship shows us that understanding the intricate patterns of our landscapes is key to nurturing and preserving the natural world, ensuring that its pulse beats robustly for generations to come. But the journey through the multifaceted world of geography does not pause at conservation. It leads us into the critical realm where foresight and preparedness converge with the science of the earth. This is where the quiet whispers of our planet are translated into life-saving strategies by those who understand its language. Pioneers in disaster management do not just read maps. They listen to the stories told by the Earth's murmurs. They decipher the subtle signals of our planet, crafting comprehensive strategies that safeguard millions from the wrath of natural calamities. Their work exemplifies the profound impact of geographical expertise in fortifying communities against the unpredictable forces of nature, making geography not just a field of study, but a guardian of humanity. Our exploration continues as we delve into the fascinating world where geography meets agriculture. Agronomists and geographers collaborate to understand the complex relationship between the Earth's physical features and agricultural practices. They study soil patterns, climate conditions, and water resources, optimizing crop yields and ensuring sustainable farming practices. The story of Norman Borlaug, the father of the Green Revolution, exemplifies this synergy. His understanding of geographic conditions and development of high-yield, disease-resistant wheat varieties transformed agriculture, saved millions from starvation, and highlighted the critical role of geography in securing our food supply. Next, we venture into the realm where geography and public health intersect, a domain where understanding the spatial distribution of diseases and healthcare resources is vital. Public health experts and geographers work together to map disease outbreaks, analyze health trends, and plan the location of healthcare facilities. The work of pioneers like Dr. John Snow, who mapped the cholera outbreak in London and identified the source of the disease, underscores the importance of geographic insights in combating public health crises and shaping healthcare policies. The narrative of geography also weaves into the fabric of cultural studies, where it explores the profound connection between geographical environments and cultural expressions. Scholars examine how landscapes influence language, traditions, and social norms, revealing the rich tapestry of human culture shaped by geographic factors. The work of cultural geographers like Yifu Tuan, who explores the relationship between space, place, and human perception, illuminates the intricate interplay between geography and cultural identity. enhancing our understanding of the diverse ways in which human experiences are molded by the geographical stage upon which they unfold. Our journey then leads us to the intersection of geography and transportation, where geographers analyze the movement of goods and people across the globe. They study transportation networks, logistical challenges, and the geographical factors that influence trade and commerce. The insights gained in this field are crucial for optimizing supply chains, improving connectivity, and fostering economic growth, demonstrating how geography plays a pivotal role in shaping the arteries of global commerce and connectivity. As we explore further, we encounter the dynamic field where geography and renewable energy converge. Here, geographers and energy specialists assess the geographical potential for harnessing solar, wind, and hydro energy. They map renewable energy resources, analyze geographical constraints, and plan the optimal locations for renewable energy installations. The success stories of countries like Denmark, a leader in wind energy, exemplify the transformative impact of integrating geographical insights with renewable energy initiatives, highlighting the role of geography in powering a sustainable future. Finally, our odyssey takes us to the realm where geography and technology merge, creating a world of endless possibilities. Geographers and tech innovators develop geographic information systems, GIS, remote sensing technologies, and spatial data analysis tools. These technologies revolutionize the way we collect, analyze, and visualize geographic data, enhancing decision-making in various fields, from urban planning to environmental management. The pioneering work of individuals like Jack Tangermond, the founder of Esri, exemplifies the transformative power of this synergy, showcasing how the integration of geography and technology paves the way for a future where informed geographic understanding drives progress and innovation. As we conclude our journey with Prottayon, we reflect on the profound ways geography touches every aspect of our lives, guiding us toward a deeper understanding and a more harmonious coexistence with our planet. Thank you for joining us on this geographic voyage. Don't forget to share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Let these narratives inspire you to explore, to learn, and to make your mark on the world. Keep following Prottayon for more explorations into the fascinating intersections of geography in our daily lives. Remember, in the vast mosaic of our world, every story is a journey, and every journey is an opportunity to learn, to connect, and to understand. So keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let geography be your guide.
DJ Fratero, me pones a mil.